Good morning and welcome to Plymouth. He joined us at the Mountbatten Centre. This is a World Championship, so it should be good fun. This place is lovely.
Go on and give us a smile, mate. You know you want it.
How are you, sir?
I'm really good, mate. Really good.
Good.
Looking forward to it. You good?
Photographers. What? Can we put up with
The dream team, mate.
The dream. We have here in Plymouth. This is my second time in Plymouth. Back in 2008 from this harbour here. I completed my powerboat instructors and commercial licence, and we were playing about all in this bay. Absolutely gorgeous place. I'm primarily droning today. Don't say droning on. With permission, of course. That's why I'm down here. The guys at the OCRDA have had me down to see if we can get some epic footage. We have been told it's going to rain, mainly tomorrow, but there's a possibility today. We don't really know. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it misses us. These lovely people on this team number 66. Let's let me put the GoPro on the front end of the boat. That should get some nice footage. control room at the end of the pier. What a view this is. We're in between races. Everybody's gone off for have a bit of dinner. I'm charging batteries just for the drone somewhere there. And yeah, it's rained a little bit. It will rain a bit more. I've left my coat in the car, which is about a mile that way. Oh well, it's only a bit of water. Who cares?
That's not going to be enough mock-up to be able to do an attack and pass now.
Unless something happens.